You're now looking at the bottom of the dermis at a cluster of sweat glands. This is adipose tissue here. These coiled, simple glands have a duct portion and a secretory portion. The duct extends fairly straight from the epidermis down to the border with the hypodermis. Now, remember that I asked you to remember those dark, straight profiles in the dermis? They're the ducts of sweat glands passing from the epidermis down into this region here of the hypodermis. At the border of the hypodermis, the duct coils around, hence these profiles, and then abruptly enlarges into the coiled secretory portion. The ducts are made up of two layers of cuboidal epithelial cells, and the cells are relatively small and dark blue in staining. The secretory portion of the gland is lined with a pseudo-stratified layer of plump cuboidal or pyramidal shaped cells. They're lightly stained and have large prominent nuclei. Myoepithelial cells can be seen wrapping around the secretory cells. Look very carefully. They have the shapes of multi-armed starfish with their arms orientated along the tubular gland. So in cross-section, their arms are visible as red wedges at the outer edge of the gland. They're strongly eosinophilic due to having an abundance of actin and myosin in their cytoplasm. Longitudinal or oblique sections show that the arms are actually elongated. Myoepithelial cells, like the secretory cells, are ectodermal in origin and are part of the epithelium of the sweat gland. These sweat glands are of the ecrine type. Apocrine sweat glands have a limited distribution, and they're much larger than the more ubiquitous ecrine variety you see here. You won't find apocrine glands in thick skin.